Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Notion, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Notion, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.notion.so and press enter. This will take you to the Notion homepage. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will see several options to sign up. You can use your email to create an account or choose to sign up with Google. If you prefer to use your email, enter it in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, you will receive a verification email from Notion. Check your inbox for this verification email. Once you find it, open the email and click on the verification link. This link will direct you back to Notion's registration page. Now, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the specified requirements. After entering your password, click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to provide some additional information. Fill out any necessary fields, such as your name and workspace name. After completing this, click on the Continue button. Notion may then ask if you want to explore a template. You can choose to skip this step or select a template that interests you. Once you finish setting up, you'll be taken to your Notion workspace. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the interface. You are now officially registered with Notion and ready to begin organizing your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.